in this tutorial we will see how to connect Oracle database with our developer tool. So basically, let's go in this developer tool and we will see how to connect. So here I will show you in this. First, I will start my SQL Developer tool. So you can see I have already downloaded, and I'm going to just start SQL Developer application. And suppose some details you have to require, and like username, password, and what is the database name, what is the database service name, which database you are going to connect. So that types of details you required, and if your details you have, then you can easily connect to the database. So in this video I will show you how to connect. So let's yeah, here our Oracle developer tool already started, you can see. And already we have connected some database, but I will show you from beginning what how to connect and what is the process. So here you can see select name. Wait a second, I will just uh, okay, maybe I just going to okay, here I'm just going to connect so you can easy to understand. Okay, what is the database name? Select name, open status, database, role from v dollar database. Here open mode instead of open status and database role. Okay, so you can see our database name is ORCL, and I will find the detail. So I'm just taking details. So here you can see our listener IP is connectivity IP is this name, and service name you can see in our TNS entry. I will show you. This is the service name ORCL. Okay. So I will try from these details. So you can see IP name, IP is this, and port number is 1521. This is the default port of Oracle database. So let's go for to the tool. Here I can see already it was connected Savas, but here I will remove and connect with the new sorry, I will go to the properties and set up with the new. Okay, so I have a user, you can see in this here I have a username user underscore 1234. So that user we will connect. So user underscore 1234. Okay, what is the password? I have a password. Okay, here I will put the IP. Okay, port is the same 1521. Okay, DB name is ORCL. Already I show you. Here you can see database name and service name. Here you can see database name ORCL and read write and primary, and that is the IP which is connecting, and this is the port number. So this detail you can find it from the database team. It will already they will provide you. Don't worry. about this, and that is the service name is also they will provide. So that details you can put here. And ORCL is our service already. I told you earlier we have connected this. So this detail you should fill up, and then you can just test you are able to connect or not. So here, yeah, you can see a success already. Our status is success. It means we can connect the database. Okay, you can see, but I have put the original password. Password maybe that is the problem. Yeah, now I'm connected. Giving some error. The password will expire in scenario. Okay, no problem. Yeah, now we will connect. I will show you the same query. Select name, open, open underscore mode, database underscore role from vDollar database. Okay. So if I'm going to execute, you can find the same details or RCL. So this is the way you can connect the database developer tool with the database. So that is the way I want to show you. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and comments.